Dear friends and fellow students, today I feel honored to stand before you and share a few words about my brothers and sisters who are working hard to shape their future. Pakistan is a country known for its mountains, its culture, and most importantly, its hard-working people. But what truly makes a nation strong it is its history. It is the dreams, the courage, and the determination of its youth. And all of you sitting here today are the future of Pakistan. We live in a world that is changing faster than ever. New skills, new opportunities, and new challenges appear every day. It is your most powerful tool. It can open doors to new possibilities, help you support your families, and allow you to contribute to the progress of your nation. But education is not only about books. It is about learning to think, to question, to create, and to solve problems. It is about becoming confident, responsible, and compassionate human being. As student, you may face difficulties, financial struggles, family responsibilities, or academic pressure. But remember, every challenge you may overcome make you stronger. The journey may be tough, but the result will build tomorrow of Pakistan. So dream big, work hard, believe in yourself, and never forget them. Big mountains like Everest climb up step by step. In the same way, you will reach your goals with a passion, dedication, and hope. Thank you, and I wish you will have a bright and successful future. Wassalam.